How to add website to home screen on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to a website on the home screen of your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the Chrome browser on your Android phone and then navigate to the website that you want to add as a shortcut on your home screen. Now, once you load the website that you want to add to your home screen, select the three dots in the top right. And what we're going to do is go down and select install and create shortcut. So recently Google Chrome changed this. So it no longer just says create shortcut. They say install. Some websites do have the ability to be installed, and you don't need to worry about it affecting any of the files or being dangerous because it's still the same thing where it's just opening up the browser. So I'm just going to select install and create shortcut right here. I can change the name of it and it gives me a preview of what the icon will look like as well as the web address. So I'll select install. So now that we've done that, we can go back to our home screen and then swipe up to see all the apps on our phone and scroll down and you'll see the app right there that is a link to a website. So now all I need to do is long press that and then select add to home screen. And then it will add that to my home screen, where if I want to move it around, I can just drag and drop it. But if I open that up, it's going to load the website. So now I can use that website anytime I want to by just opening that shortcut on my home screen. So it's a little bit different than it used to be where you could actually just add a shortcut. They do make you go through that process of install and add a shortcut. Now, if you want to remove it from your home screen, all you need to do is long press and say remove, and you can uninstall it by simply finding it in the list of apps and then long press it and drag it up to the top and say uninstall and confirm you want to uninstall. So that's how you add a website to your home screen on your Android phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.